Video ini dibuat sebelum PSBB tahap 2 dilakukan.
It's John Balz here! Hi, how's it going, bros? This is John Balz here, and today we're back at McDonald's. Yep. Beberapa orang dari kalian kayak request kita udah ngelakuin double fillet fish. Tolong dong lakuin double chicken sandwich. Karena emang chicken sandwich lagi in karena health factornya. Jadi kenapa kita nggak lakuin double chicken sandwich? But ini waktu makan John Balz. Not gonna make it double. Let's try to make it triple. Yep. So we're gonna go back there and order the triple Mac sandwich, a new secret menu item. You guys will never see this coming. Never see this coming. So stay tuned. Wow! All right, we're back at McDonald's, Pemuda Rawamangun. Yep. This is actually kind of new. And it's actually near my place. They have a good health procedure here. So let's do it. So yeah, guys, we're back here and kita ganti isinya dulu. This how the trick. How about no lettuce, huh? McSPICY. McSPICY. I mean. Oh, limited 3. So yeah, we're going to go. Break the lemon. No lettuce, man. And Mexican sauce, sure. Yeah, let's go for triple one. And yep. Okay. I don't want to go meal. Oh, what else says McSpicy flavor set? Not today. Nope. Not today. Okay, drinks. Cold beverage. Soda asam jawa. That's kind of cool. That's coffee durian. What's good with chicken? What's good with chicken? Coke float. Wait, what? Sure. Freeze apple. Okay, sure. Right, we're all set. So the total is. Alright, guys, got the goods. Yep. Take me some time. We need to actually hurry. We're back with the goods. Yep. Apple McFreeze. Ini bukan Fanta Float. Ini Apple McFreeze. Yep. Smell like apple. Tastes like apple. And it's actually quite nice. Nah, you're not the main attraction here, bud. What's up, side dog? Hello, baby. This one beautiful right here. It's the main attraction. So, yup. Oh my, oh Lord. Secret menu item, guys. In this secret menu item, triple McSpicy chicken. I say triple. It's really let's count it with me, man. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I never lied to you guys. No lettuce. Just a pure, beautiful thing. Like, let's take a thumbnail time here. Huh? It's like, let's make a good thumbnail time. Oh, like spicy chicken sauce. Not a fan, but it's triple, guys. Come on, it's triple. Let's try the first bite. Gigitan pertama buat kalian semua. How am I supposed to tackle this baby, man? Guys, Pertama gue gigit, juice-nya jatuh ke bawah semua. And the bad thing is, gue pakai celana pendek jadi langsung kena ke kaki gue dan it's hot. But seriously guys, triple McSpicy chicken sandwich patty can be wow. You gotta go overboard with it. It's good, man. Wow. Oh, need a napkin. McDonald, napkin check. McDonald always gave us a napkin. That's a good thing. One thing to tell you, ini pedas. Bentuknya udah gak karuan. McSpicy chicken, McDonald nggak punya yang terbaik ya untuk chicken sandwich mereka, tapi bukan yang terburuk juga. Why this bitch ain't focusing? Why? Bentuknya udah gak karuan. Udah semakin sore dan oh my god, minumannya berantakan, makanannya berantakan. Kalian bakal tahu convenience store-nya kan. I'm like, wow, it's gonna be real low. But yeah, mungkin beberapa orang lebih suka ini daripada filet o fish, tapi ya itu kan preferences ya, tergantung orang. Dan gue baru sadar di frame gue ada setir. What you doing here, man? Lo ngalangin kameranya, brah. Damn. Gimana kalau kita habisin ini aja sebelum mobil gue jadi kotor karena juice sama sausnya? Yap, dan kita kasih penilaiannya nanti. Let's go. Oh, alright, let's bite. Bentuknya udah gak kayak sandwich ataupun apapun. Oh, but hey, can we still do the trick? I mean, like, nah, I'm losing my sense of shooting guard. No, I never been a shooting guard. Kita tadi udah nyobain triple McSpicy chicken sandwich. Langsung aja kita nilai WTC score-nya dari taste-nya dulu. It's kinda meh, right? Ya, mungkin enak untuk orang yang suka McSpicy chicken, tapi buat gue agak meh. Jadi, well, kita kasih nilai 3 ya. It's not that bad. It's not awesome either. Untuk convenience score, ini berantakan banget ya. Ini bukan cuma dari faultnya aja, tapi dari McSpicy chicken sandwichnya aja super berantakan. Buat convenience score-nya, sorry, gue harus kasih nilai 2. Not the worst, but yeah, ini lengket ya. Mungkin cara makan gue berantakan, tapi karena itu volumenya terlalu gede ya, nggak bisa kita gigit langsung ya. Kadang-kadang sesuatu yang berlebihan itu tidak baik, guys ya. 2. Dan worthiness score-nya tadi harganya udah kalian lihat ya. Kalau kalian lupa di sini, I give it like, I don't know, terlalu mahal untuk sesuatu yang bahkan gue nggak nikmatin banget ya. Gue lebih nikmatin kemarin, harga lebih murah dan kayak ya ini double the price. I give it like 2. So ya guys, kenapa gue buat video ini? Buat biar kalian gak mesti ngelakuin ini. Jadi WTC score-nya adalah worthiness-nya 2, taste-nya 3, convenience-nya 2. Really low. So, ya, jangan lakuin ini. Not recommended to you guys, tapi kalau kalian emang mau iseng ya. Oke guys, stay tune buat waktu makan John Balz selanjutnya. I'm out. Now, I can reach the camera with ease.